Hello everyone, I'm Asifali and watching CGHOW video, and in last video we learned how to use ribbon as beam, and we have created this lightning thread with beam, and in this tutorial we will use ribbon as ribbon trails. So I'll just delete this and also clean the blueprint. So first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. I will create an emitter, or I'll just use this fountain, duplicate this and name it ribbon trails. Save all, because it has this variable here, that's why these are not showing. So I'll just go to here in spawn rate, just delete this user parameter, and I have this fountain effect and I want some ribbon trails for this. First I will decrease the spawn rate to 50 and I will increase the gravity and also increase directional velocity. So I have this now. I want some trails of ribbon for this. So for that I will create an emitter here, or I'll just duplicate this emitter, just copy, paste, make it trail, and in this emitter what you have to do, first delete the lights, delete the sprite. You can't delete, so just turn it off because this is in parent, and you don't need spawn rate, but just leave it now. I will delete that. And if you don't need drag, turn it off gravity, turn off velocity, sphere location, and I will take a ribbon here and I will use ribbon material. Let it compile. So I want simple ribbon material, so this is default material. Okay, this is a flat color. So now you have this ribbon and you are not showing here ribbons, so you have to take ribbon width, you can increase or decrease. Okay, and spawn rate I can just 100. I'll just turn on my velocity, you can see, and I will just make it. So you can see, because ribbon has this issue if velocity, so it will show like this, and light should not be random, make it 2 or 2. Now this is smooth, and if you want to make it trail, what you have to do, first you have to just leave the spawn rate, then you want to follow the trails, these particles. So first you have to make an event location for this, then you have to use that event location in beam, in ribbon. So in my emitter fountain here I will make a generate location. This will generate the location, and there is some error, you can see I can't compile. To make it a generate location, you have to go emitter properties and just turn on require persistent ID, and you can see the error gone. And that's it you have to do in this one. And now in trails you have to go to this event handler. Just click here, and event handler property, you can use the location event and just use the spawn particle and make it spawn rate. So now you can see it's spawning, but it's not looking like trail. So first I will decrease the life, and then I will make it 1. And here in spawn you have to take a make it just loop for now, and here you have to take receive location, and that's it for. And you can see these are the following, but there's life issue, so I will make, like I have 0.5 life here, I will make it 2, and in my source I will also make it 2, and just decrease some particles spawning, make it like 10, 5, but my ribbons has velocity, so I'll just turn it off. And now you can see these are ribbons. If you want some random movement, so don't use velocity, you can use curl noise. Just move it here, make it 100. You can see 50, some random movement. And you can use ribbon with scale and make it a curve. And now you can see trailer thing. You can increase the scale, so this will be scale up and then scale down over life. So this is how ribbons work, and this is how generate location works. And generate location is not only for ribbons, you can follow the particle trails, you can follow mesh, you can follow anything. It's just location event, it will follow the particles, whatever the form of particle is. So that's it for ribbons. I will just look like this, and I will just increase the size so it will look good now. And that's it for now. So all the modules of render is complete with this series, but in next tutorial maybe I will show you more modules in this, how to use them. So that will be a general for all the renderer. Maybe I will use mesh or sprite or maybe all, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. Bye bye.